When you say that you are in the hospital and you are at the hospital, you are simply making two completely different statements. Now, in this brief episode of English Diet, let's help ourselves to get the difference very clearly. I overheard someone speaking on the phone, and the person was actually at the hospital, and he made a statement, "I am in the hospital." The difficulty is actually understanding the difference between the usage of the in and the out. These two prepositions in the two statements set the difference clearly. Now, saying you are in the hospital means that you are a patient or you are receiving treatment in the hospital. That is when you use the in. But when you say that you are at the hospital, it means that you are not there as a patient, but you are there perhaps for visiting, for a meeting, or something which is completely different from being there for medical treatment or medical care. So I believe you get the difference. Let us know this and know how to use these prepositions in this particular statement correctly according to the rules of English language. So you see, by way of summary, I am in the hospital means I'm a patient there, I'm receiving a medical treatment or medical care. I am at the hospital. It means I am there for something other than receiving medical treatment or medical care. I am not a patient in that case. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up in the comment section, or just like the video, share, make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so, and that will let me know that you love stuff like this. So I'll come your way with many more as we continue to make a good diet in English language in our everyday life. Thank you for watching. This has been English Diet on GCL Tutorials. Bye for now.